Understanding and resolving loop-back-off error in Kubernetes. In this video, we will explore the loop-back-off error in Kubernetes, a common networking issue that arises due to misconfigurations. We will provide detailed commands to diagnose and resolve this error effectively. The loop-back-off error typically occurs when a pod cannot communicate with itself or when there are misconfigurations in the service or ingress settings. This issue often arises when Kubernetes attempts to route traffic to a pod using its loopback address, which may not be configured correctly. To resolve the loop-back-off error, follow these steps. Check pod status. Describe the pod for detailed error information. Verify service configuration. Inspect network policies. If the issue persists, check the health of the nodes. Use kubectl get nodes and kubectl describe node name to ensure they are healthy. Review the logs of the pod for any errors that might indicate why the loopback is failing. Use kubectl logs pod name and namespace. Ensure the service selector matches the pod labels. Inspect network policies to confirm they allow traffic to and from the pod. Use kubectl get network policy and namespace. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and resolve the loop-back-off error in your Kubernetes setup. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding and resolving the loop-back-off error in Kubernetes.